Hello everyone, it's a rainy day here. I'm gonna make some hot snacks for the evening today. Nothing like having a hot and crispy treat along with a cup of tea when it rains. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how we make twisted cinnamon sugar sticks. So let's check out the recipe. To make around 13 to 15 cinnamon sugar sticks, we need 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons yeast, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, oil for frying, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder and sugar for coating. Turn on the stove, keep a pan and add 2 tablespoons butter. Wait until it melts completely. Now add 1 cup of milk to the melted butter and mix well. Once the butter and milk completely gets mixed, turn off the stove and keep the pan aside. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon salt and mix well. Now add an egg and whisk it well.
Mix.
Now add 2 teaspoons of yeast.
Mix.
Transfer the mixture to the bowl, add 3 cups of flour and combine well. Combining the flour with liquid mixture is more than sufficient and rigorous kneading is not required for this recipe. This is the consistency. This dough has to be covered with a plastic wrapper until it becomes double the size. Wow, the dough has raised well. It has to be deflated now and we need to repeat this process 2 more times to get a soft and fluffy dough. Each time it took about 40 minutes for it to raise. The time varies depending upon the yeast that we use in this recipe. Finally, the dough is ready. Now make medium-sized balls and roll them as you see in this video. Handle the dough gently. Once you make a long rope-like shape, roll each end of the dough in such a way that it moves to the opposite direction. That is, when your right hand goes up, your left hand comes down. This will help in creating proper friction and so it can twist easily. Gently flip one by one and allow them to rest for 5 minutes, after which we can fry them in the oil. Turn on the stove, keep a pan and pour required oil to the pan. Once the oil is ready, fry them till it turns golden brown. Fry each side of it for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it turns golden brown. It's ready. Now coat it with cinnamon powder and sugar. You can also consider coating it with the maple tree syrup or honey. I'm sure you will love this delicious twisted cinnamon sugar sticks. Enjoy this along with your family, especially kids will love them. See you.